In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Linear. By the end, you'll have the Linear app added to your Slack workspace and be ready to streamline issue tracking without leaving your channels. First, open your browser and go to app.slack.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace where you want the integration installed. If you manage multiple workspaces, double check the logo and workspace name in the top left so you don't add the app to the wrong place. Also, keep in mind that some workspaces require admin approval to install apps. If you see a request screen later, that's normal. Inside Slack, look for the More option in the left sidebar. Click it to expand additional options, then choose Tools. From there, open Apps. This takes you to Slack's app directory, which is the central place for finding and managing integrations. In the app directory search bar, type Linear. You'll see a list of results. You might also notice other popular integrations like OneDrive or SharePoint in this area. Those aren't what we need right now, so make sure you select Linear specifically from the results. Open the Linear app listing. On that page, click Install. Slack may show you a summary of what the app can do and the permissions it needs. Review those so you know what data the integration will access. When you're ready, click Add to Slack. This begins the authorization process and links the app to your workspace. At this point, you may be prompted to adjust settings such as the default channel the app can post to or to grant specific permissions. Confirm those prompts to continue. Next, you'll be redirected to Linear. If you already have a Linear account, sign in. If you don't have one yet, click Sign Up and create your account. When Linear asks for permission to connect to Slack, approve the connection to finish the setup. Once authorized, you should see a confirmation either in Slack, in Linear, or both. The Linear app will appear in your Slack sidebar under Apps. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing Slack in your browser. From here, you can start using Linear commands in Slack or follow any prompts from the Linear app to fine-tune notifications. And that's it. You went to app.slack.com, opened More, selected Tools, then Apps, searched for Linear, chose the correct app, clicked Install, added it to Slack, and completed Sign Up or Sign In to authorize. You're now connected and ready to work more efficiently.